Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Ghazali. I am from the section 2 and group number 4. So, for now, I will present the circuit that we have done and the low frequency response. So, we move on to the circuit first. First, we are using the simulation of the multisim. We add the function generator and Bob plotter, and the circuit we use just from the rubric they have given from the doctor. The plotter is we use for now is the frequency of 16 and amplitude of 20. Then we move on to the Bob plotter to get the low frequency response. The value that we get from this Bob plotter is the 324.538 Hz. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, the high frequency response we have obtained from the simulation is 681.745 kHz. Moving on, the full frequency response that we have obtained is shown in this image. From this graph, we can obtain the bandwidth by using the high frequency response minus with the low frequency response, which are this area right here. The bandwidth that we've got from this is by the value 680.0881 K minus with 323.7408. So the value will be 679,685.0692 Hz.